Vegetation control is a top priority for our maintenance branch. The reason we do our vegetation control is because we want all of our warning signs visible for our road users. It helps the safety to visualize other vehicles on our roadways. We want our roads and our shoulders to be safe as possible, so our law enforcement, emergency personnel, fire trucks, ambulance, so they can see our signs, have a safe road to drive on. It also helps our drainage. We want our water to flow within our drainages. And there's different ways of doing our vegetation control. We have work crews that come out and they'll trim, cut trees. We have chipping machines. There's shouldering. Shouldering consists of a grader and a water truck. And what we try to do is we try to build our shoulders back up from erosion and protect our road from erosion. And then there's mowing. We usually go maybe a path and a half of our mower deck, and that exposes our signs, makes it very safe. There's a section of our road which is considered a clear zone. A clear zone is a piece of land that's on our shoulders, 10 feet or more. It's a little area for you to pull over. That's a top priority. Make sure our clear zones are clear and safe for our public to use. There is some criteria that we have to follow. We do stay within Pinal County right-of-way. Right-of-way means there's a certain piece of land that's on the shoulders of our roads that allows Pinal County to maintain within. And we have to strictly stay within our right-of-way. We cannot go on to state land, and we cannot go on a private property, because that creates a liability issue, not only for the property owner, but for Pinal County and our employees. On our HOAs, or subdivisions, Pinal County is only responsible for the roadway, or back of curb, or sidewalk to sidewalk. So it is our responsibility that if there is a tree that's coming over our roadway and doesn't meet the clearance height, Pinal County will go and they'll trim it back to our right of way. The HOAs are responsible for the vegetation control within landscaped areas. They're responsible for vegetation control within the greenbelt areas. And we do work with our HOAs throughout the county. We're all on the same page. What we do is we take resident concerns, we make work orders. Pinal County website has a process on which you could submit a concern, and then goes to our office staff. Our office staff goes through it, and they'll send it off to the crew who's responsible for that area. And they put top priority on it. And once we see it high priority, we jump on it as fast as we can for the safety of our road users.